Welcome to Solver Phi.
First, we are going to write the weight of crate A, that is WA is equal to 200 IB. Weight of crate B, WB is equal to 150 IB. Mu A is coefficient of static friction between crate A and plane 0.25, and mu B is coefficient of static friction between B and plane. Now, drawing the free body diagram of the given system. So draw it very carefully so that you can solve it very easily. So drawing the free body diagram as I am drawing here. Now show all the forces that is acting on it. 200 sin theta, here it is 200 cos theta. Now here it is 150 sin theta, and here it is point C and D, and here it is crate A and crate B. Here it is 150 cos theta. Now we can go further, write FB here, and here it is FA acting. Now solving further, we can write FA is friction force between crate A and plane, and FB is friction force between crate B and plane. Now going further, we can write as applying force equilibrium equation about the plane. So on going further, we can write as summation of f is equal to 0, or 200 sin theta plus 150 sin theta minus fa minus fb is equal to 0. On solving further, 200 sin theta plus 150 sin theta is equal to fa plus fb. Now going further, we can write as 200 sin theta plus 150 sin theta is equal to mu A into 200 cos theta plus mu B into 150 cos theta. Now solving further, we can write as 200 sin theta plus 150 sin theta is equal to 0.25 into 200 cos theta plus 0.35 into 150 cos theta. On solving further, we can write 350 sin theta is equal to 102.5 cos theta. So solving further, we can write sin theta by cos theta is equal to 102.5 by 350. So tan theta is equal to that, or theta is equal to tan inverse 102.5 by 350. On solving, we get theta is equal to 16.323 degree. First, we are going